So we went and just went into the breakfast room hall. Room भाग क्या है? सामने रोहित सर, श्रेयस अय्यर, यूजी भाई, सब लोग ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं. हम लाइक गलत जगह पे थे कि मे बी शायद वो लोग का अलग रूम होगा, हम लोग का अलग कोई रूम होगा.
और हम लोग ऐसे बॉक्सर में
तो बोले कि नहीं यही है. सो द आयरनी वाज, सो इसके पहले हम लोग वी यूज्ड टू मेक कंटेंट लाइक क्रिकेट कंटेंट हमने बहुत बनाया, बट वी गॉट एसोसिएटेड विद मुंबई इंडियंस एंड वी मेड अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस विद मुंबई इंडियंस. सो somehow we knew कि क्रिकेटर्स ने हमारे वीडियोस देखे. So the moment we entered into the room and रोहित शर्मा सर was like, और यहाँ पे भी आ गए वीडियो बनाने, आ जाओ क्या सोचा है. I'm like, आप हमें जानते हो? And then श्रेयस भाई, यूजी भाई, they all knew us. They greeted us किया, और क्या यहाँ पे कैसे वीडियोस बनाने आए हो, कैसे गए हो. तो we were very shocked कि मतलब that was our first ever interaction with them and they knew us. That was a big achievement. and हम लोग जो नाश्ता किया है ना उस दिन, जो ब्रेकफास्ट किया है
बैठ के,
या ब्रेकफास्ट विद अ व्यू.
उनके साथ नहीं अभी नहीं.
उनके मतलब बाजू टेबल पे, बट वी वर देयर ओनली.
फोक और चम्मच से खाया इस बार प्रॉपर.
okay, we're greatly ना मैं अंग्रेजी भी गया मैं. Excited, we're super excited because we have the best comic duo on the internet. I've been told number one.
Yes.
Number one guys. और मैं वो भी देखा. What is that? Wolverine and Deadpool.
Yeah.
What are their names?
Ryan and
you. Ryan मत बोलो, पूरा नाम. Look at this. They were school together. मेरा दोस्त Ryan.
अभी तो दोस्त लोग हो गए ना after meeting them.
Exactly. Yeah. It was a nice interview. Great fun. They're like you. They're older versions of you. They're fun guys.
I mean, तो experience ऐसा था कि जब भी हम लोग इंटरव्यू करने गए, so before us there were like 4 or 5 interviews they were already done with it.
Yeah.
And when we went, so we thought maybe we thought that they'll be tired and stuff like that. But when we went and we started doing a skit, so they were like, what's this? This is fun, यार. I mean, because people लोग जब आते तो normal interview कर रहे थे, but we had prepared a skit kind of where we were like
Your
we had
entry only
jokes.
was dramatic.
हमारे पास jokes भी थे, so they got really interested and they were like, we want to do more of it. So fun fact about that. So these guys are very particular about timing. So they gave us 7-minute slot. They gave us 7-minute slot, and there was this lady behind the camera. She was just pointing it out. 2 minutes left, 1 minute left.
Wow, sweet,
and
yeah.
once no, that wasn't sweet.
Liko. We have to do this also. We are not big stars, and we do the same thing.
Please don't do this.
No, we must do this, yaar.
No,
2
yaar.
minutes. Yeah, this is my sexual experience also. Normally, 2 minutes. 1 minute. My mom stands behind the bedroom. Hey, 2 minutes बचा है, 1 minute बचा है, and sorry, you're sorry.
That's fun. So that lady was right behind the camera, and she was like 1 minute left, and I saw like phone was right there in the hand, and I saw that there were like many questions left. 7 questions were remaining. I'm like, shit, abhi kya karu? And then Dhruv was randomly talking to him because Ryan and you, they are such
Friendly.
good human beings.
Yeah.
अगर आप उनको पूछो ना, hi, how are you? तो Ryan won't reply, I'm good. वो 10 joke मारेंगे उसके बाद. I mean, that's what he is.
I saw it. They were having a good time.
Yeah,
You could
so-
see they enjoyed
और
it.
5 इंटरव्यू में बोर हो गए, फिर ही उसको पता चला कि अभी मेरा टाइम है जहाँ आई कैन डू फन. तो ही स्टार्टेड, ही इज नॉट लेटिंग अस टॉक.
So once the 7 minutes were over, they were like कि over, मैंने रुका नहीं. तो फिर literally a guy came and he was like कि
You
sorry
kept
guys.
that? That's not
Yeah.
you should
नहीं,
keep
नहीं.
that, yeah. That's the fun part of the interview.
The
And you
best
should be
part-
asking the question. उस point पे भी they're pulling you on the और sir plot क्या है?
वो लोग ने जो शूट करे थे वो लोग ही कर रहे थे, वो लोग ने वो कट करके दिया so that we don't put it inside the video.
Oh.
So yeah,
देयर कट.
Americans यार, Americans ना?
Canadian
foreigners.
American.
This part of racist India brought to you by IBM. But there, one interesting is because you're a cricket nuts also. You're a
एक
cricket
second,
nuts.
I have not completed yet.
Oh,
So once the
bang,
7
sure.
minutes the 7 minutes were over, तो वो बंदा है like कि over, but Ryan and you were like कि नहीं, it's fun, let it be. So we continued for more 7 minutes. So ideally it was 7 minutes long, but we did it for like 14-15 minutes, and because these guys stopped their team कि no, it's fun, let's do it.
Wow.
So doesn't make
देखा,
sense
the
right
power-
now, but
also
ठीक है.
power of India. I'm presuming कि बाकी जो लोग थे, they were from other countries.
Yeah,
We are
absolutely.
1.4 billion potentially. Dub it into all languages. Look at the money they can make. Ultimately, no disrespect.
Still
One
they're
guy
not
is from.
making any money out of India.
No, really? क्यों?
I asked them कि तुम इंडिया में प्रीमियर क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Huh. You asked her in the interview.
No, not
No,
in the
no.
interview.
Oh, they
After the
said we should
interview-
premiere it. No, there's some question.
there
in
is
that.
there is one part where he has to be nice to India ना.
हाँ.
So
वो
that
भी
is
है.
why he said कि भाई प्रीमियर करते हैं इंडिया में. But बाद में हमने पूछा तो they said कि India is not that big of a market for us.
So offline they were not funny. They were angry. We hate India. You Indians, never again. You should have just said today the one which they like is Bangladesh. The country is going through a real turmoil and all the people are very nice that way. Next time, remember Bangladeshi. They will tell yaar. You can do Bengali accent?
No.
Both accent करते हो इसमें. I saw a couple of accents.
Bengali.
He does it.
Huh?
because
Hello, let us talk like Bengali.
not Bengali, but he's like well versed with Gujarati, Marathi, and
He's Gujarati है ना दिख रहा?
ना ना
तो Shah, Marwari is the Shah surname. Oh,
It's
nice,
a
interesting.
history with surnames as well.
Oh, superb. Yeah, Nasruddin Shah is neither Marwari nor Gujarati. For example. Don't laugh at that.
Exactly.
Yeah, politically incorrect laughter. Huh. Okay, so you're the action guy, is it?
yeah.
So let's start at the beginning now. We are going straight to Wolverine and
exactly. Why should
Deadpool, etc. Story क्या है? You met in engineering.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
yeah.
So let's rewind and how did you all meet? Tell us the whole beginning, the birth of a nation. Huh.
नहीं, so we were doing engineering. He's a child
कहाँ पे?
actor. ठाकुर कॉलेज
ठाकुर
कांदिवली.
Oh, nice. Huh.
तो वहाँ पर
He's a
we-
child actor मतलब?
I was a child actor. I like used to work in films and
Which
serials.
ones?
So मुझसे शादी करोगी the one
Oh.
Akshay Kumar.
You're one of the kiddies?
The I played Akshay Kumar
चद्दर
का
में
बचपन का
क्या?
रोल.
चद्दर
The
मेरा
बदतमीज
मामा.
चद्दर की कमीज लोहे का
हाँ.
पजामा. I was the one who said the
Wow.
dialogue. And I did a
Then when
movie.
you grew up, you were upset you weren't Akshay Kumar? I mean,
No. I tried meeting him and like I was like I couldn't meet him again.
and what did he say? Hey, chal.
शायद बोल देता बट मैं मिला ही नहीं.
हाँ.
तो उसके बाद I did a movie Dev with Amitabh Bachchan. I was
Yeah.
like I
The
was
big
his
films,
son.
यार.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But
वो
flop
is-
थी वो तो.
वो तो ठीक है. Amitabh Bachchan. Once you're there, look at you. Ryan Gosling, Hugh Jackman, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar.
And then Cyrus.
No, now Groove. Had Marwari khana yesterday. Very
how
good.
was it?
I'm an aloo king. Don't ask me what names are. But I'm a friend of mine. Lovely. Very nice. Thakur College, Kandivali was where
Thakur College,
you didn't know each other before that.
No.
But he was a known face.
Yeah.
But I remember
Yeah.
in college, if somebody
Because
does
he used to do
modeling.
Crime Patrol, not because of
Crime Patrol.
not
so you're
because
a
of the
proper
movies.
actor, यार.
Yeah.
वो नहीं है बायोडेटा में.
छुपा के रखता है ना
ये नहीं बोलता ना मैं अभी.
क्यों?
ऐसे ही.
शर्म की बात तो नहीं है. You should say all this.
Because Crime
नहीं तो
Patrol
रोल
basically
जो I did was शर्म. अब आप क्राइम पेट्रोल मैंने किया था. अभी पूछोगे मैंने क्राइम पेट्रोल में किया क्या?
क्या?
जो नहीं करना चाहिए.
बोलो ना. लाश.
लाश बना भी हूँ, लाश बनाया भी है,
Oh my God.
विक्टिम भी हुआ हूँ और कल्प्रिट भी हूँ. अब पूछना मत क्या किया है, मतलब सब कुछ किया.
Fun for audience.
High, high maintenance actor. High maintenance. Yeah. So then, but so you're known by the college. See, college guys will all know this, yaar. When somebody is relatively famous, has worked in TV, worked in films, worked with big names, etc., he must have had some like name there.
So we were in different branch. He was
हाँ.
doing mechanical. I was doing electronics.
हाँ.
तो क्या हुआ ना?
Electronic. Oh, sir. तो इसके साथ क्या करते फिर?
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के लिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं.
At least in my time, electronic was the बाप
नहीं
यार.
यार, मैकेनिकल वाज ऑलवेज
क्या बात है?
ग्रेट.
मैकेनिकल सब लोग करते हैं यार.
कैसी बात कर रहे हो? मैकेनिकल
Sir,
इज
ये
द
touchy
मदर
subject हो
ऑफ.
गया?
नहीं सर,
Let's ask the audience. Electronic या mechanical?
मैकेनिकल वाज द मदर,
मैं
इज
actually-
द एंड विल बी द मदर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. दैट्स व्हाई आई चोज मैकेनिकल.
क्या बात
Still
है?
they don't know
Sir,
anything. I mean.
Anyway.
So anyways, so बाद में so क्या हुआ? First second year of college और इवेंट्स में सबको जाना पसंद है. अब हमको कोई इवेंट में ले नहीं रहा. बिकॉज सब सीनियर लोग का माफिया चल रहा है, हमको इवेंट में ले नहीं रहा है, वॉलंटियर बना के रख रहे हैं. तो हमने बोला हमको तो भाई कुछ तो खुद का इवेंट करना है. सो देन वी क्रिएटेड आवर ओन इवेंट जस्ट बिकॉज वी वांट टू बी द हेड्स.
In second year.
हाँ, इन सेकेंड ईयर वी
can
क्रिएटेड,
you?
वी गेव अ गुड आइडिया बाय सेइंग कि ना वी शुड डू ड्रामा. कि ड्रामा हो नहीं रहा है कॉलेज में, वी शुड डू समथिंग. ऐसा मतलब हमको पता नहीं था हम कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. हमने बस सिर्फ वो इवेंट का हेड बनने के लिए वी गेव द आइडिया ऑफ ड्रामा और अप्रूव हो गया. बोले ड्रामा करो अब तुम लोग. अब हमें आता नहीं ड्रामा करना. तो हमने शुरू किया कि चलो कुछ तो करते हैं. सो वी रोट अ स्क्रिप्ट विच इज के महाभारत जमाने में अगर स्टीफन हॉकिंग पहुंच गया तो.
Oh no.
सो वी डिड ऑल
On the line of control, all this. यार. हाँ.
we
तो क्या
started
था?
doing बकचोदी.
Synopsis क्या है उसमें?
यार मेरे को याद भी नहीं है उसमें.
So Stephen Hawking के पास कुछ तो मशीन है, टाइम मशीन, एंड अ गाय कम्स एंड इज लाइक कि आई वांट टू गो बैक इन टाइम. सो वो मशीन छेड़ते एंड मशीन में कुछ मिसहैप हो जाता है एंड वी रीच टू महाभारत लेवल. एंड लाइक कि तू कहाँ ले आया हमें,
और
मतलब मैं वापस नहीं जा
द्रोणाचार्य बाण सिखा
सकता.
रहा
एंड देन
है,
व्हेन
वो सब में
High budget costume है उसमें.
हाँ,
बट वो कॉलेज पे दिया ना, कॉलेज मतलब
पैसा
कॉलेज
था?
वालों को बोला 10,000, हम लोग ने लिया 20,000. सो उस वक्त पे तो
The reason why we wanted to become event heads ना
Sir, I think
is primarily
electronic
because-
डूब गया अभी. Mechanical ऊपर गया.
फिर
मेरा एक
हमको-
दोस्त था, आई लाइक टू इंटरप्ट, मेरा एक दोस्त था तो उसका फर्स्ट ईयर में उसको ना लग गया, मतलब कुछ तो कर रहा था वो इवेंट में. एंड सेकेंड ईयर में वो DSLR लेके आया 25,000 का. हम लाइक कैसे? पता लास्ट ईयर में इवेंट हेड था. मैं बोला क्या बात कर रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हेन वी वर लाइक कि इवन वी वांट
Thakur College, are you listening? This is alumni, famous alumni of the college, exposing dark secrets about profitability at events. ये सब चलता है क्या? आई एम थिंकिंग व्हेन वी वर इन द 90s एंड ऑल, आई डोंट थिंक देयर वाज एनी बजट ओनली.
नो वंडर ठाकुर की फीस इतनी ज्यादा है.
हाँ फायदा तो उठाया. वेल डन.
कहीं से तो वसूल करेंगे. सो देन वी वांटेड अ प्रोटैगनिस्ट. तो हम में कोई एक्टिंग नहीं करता था.
पर आप दोनों हैं ना लीड?
नहीं, वी डिडंट नो ईच अदर.
वी वर राइटिंग दिस फॉर नाउ. हम सोच रहे बनाए क्या पहले. तो हमारी टीम थी, हम लोग बकचोदी कर रहे थे, हमने सोचा बनाते हैं. देन देयर वाज वन प्रोटैगनिस्ट दैट वी नीडेड. तो हमको खबर आई कि भाई मैकेनिकल में एक बंदा है जो एक्टर है, क्राइम पेट्रोल वो सब करता है. तो बोले मिलते हैं, बुलाते हैं. प्रोफेशनल एकदम. तो हमने बुलाया, बातचीत किया, फिर दैट इज हाउ वी मेट एंड देन वी वर राइटिंग इट टुगेदर. फिर ड्रामा वामा हुआ, अच्छा गया, पीपल लव्ड इट. देन और ड्रामा तो एक साल में होता है.
सो बट लेट्स हियर हिज स्टोरी ना. उस पॉइंट पे खबर मिला कि ये है
right.
ये एक ऊपर लीग वाला है.
ऊपर लीग.
एंड देन ही हाउ डिड ही एक्सेप्ट इट? बट लाइक
यार
आप पूछा नहीं कि कहानी क्या है या सोच क्या है एंड ऑल दैट?
मिला, घुस गया. इवेंट हेड बनना था ना हमें भी, तो मैं भी घुस गया बिकॉज मैं भी ढूंढ रहा था वेज.
द क्रिएटिविटी इज ड्रिवन नॉट बाय द आर्ट फॉर्म बट बाय द एंड रिजल्ट.
सेकंड ईयर है ना, कोई भाव नहीं देता. थोड़ा भी भाव मिलता है, मजा आता है.
फिर
So that's how we met and we did the drama and वो बहुत अच्छा चला. I mean people really loved it, so we kept on doing it. I'm so sorry. मैंने डाला था साइलेंट पे, but
नहीं कीप इट ऑन. व्हाट इफ इमरजेंसी यार?
चलेगा ना.
स्पेशली अगर जोमेटो है तो प्लीज, वी आर ऑल हंग्री.
So the drama did really well and then second third year भी किया, fourth year भी किया. So बाद में इंजीनियरिंग हमारा हो गया, but we became very good friends via that.
बट वो सेकंड ईयर, वो मेन वो ओपनिंग डेब्यू प्ले जो था, उसमें यू गाइस प्लेड द प्रोटैगनिस्ट.
I played the protagonist.
Also one protagonist.
Yeah.
ये वो टाइम कैप्सूल में बैठ के he goes back in time, he goes into the epic.
So
and,
this
and,
was
and what's your role?
So I was playing different kind of characters.
अच्छा.
जैसे प्रोफेसर बन गया या कुछ बन गया. So now this drama was very curated for the college people. मतलब कॉलेज के टीचर्स, इंटरनल जोक्स,
लोकल जोक्स,
वेरी कॉलेज वाले जोक्स. तो कॉलेज वालों को बहुत मजा आ रहा था. जैसे जो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है, वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर वाला हमारा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड बहुत डेंजर था. सो लॉट ऑफ जोक्स अराउंड हिम.
This is writing with the market, boss. This is genius. Correct.
So not for outside college but specially for the college.
Security guards, सब security guards वैसा ही है.
सब वैसे ही.
They are the most powerful force of any college.
Yeah.
वो अंदर नहीं जा सकते, बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते, कुछ नहीं.
पर हमारा पहला वाला जो ये बंदे की बात कर रहा हूँ, उनका नाम था रफीक. ही वॉज डिसिप्लिन्ड, मतलब डिसिप्लिन्ड सिक्योरिटी. मतलब
कॉलेज में
मतलब आप सिक्योरिटी जनरली आर नॉट दैट डिसिप्लिन्ड ना, कि भाई तुम थोड़ा बहुत दोस्ती बना लो, कुछ कर लो.
मतलब क्या करता है?
इसमें मतलब दोस्ती नहीं करता वो.
9:15 का लेक्चर होता था. 9:14:59 the gates are closed. He won't let you in no matter who you are.
He is one of those guys who takes the job seriously.
Exactly.
होता है ऐसा कभी-कभी. हाँ.
So then the drama thing happened. Then people wanted कि भाई ये तो साल में एक बार आता है, बड़ा हमें मजा आया तो कुछ ऐसे ही बकचोदी करते रहो, कुछ रखो. तो तभी स्नैपचैट चलता था. So we used to, after college we used to make 15-second Snapchats के
Two of you separate.
Two of us. और दोस्तों को भेज देते थे. So they used to love. तो यही करते रहते थे टाइम पास.
So this is Salim Javed story of this generation, where basically you realize that you all are on the same mental level.
Yeah, we realized that eventually. I mean,
और ये comedy जो है, that was from the beginning, obviously, because ये epic.
Yeah.
The thinking is very comic.
Also, a lot of things helped us because जो हमारा locality था, जो हमारे दोस्त लोग थे, हम लोग जब नीचे उतरते थे, अब like after like we are done with our work, शाम को 7-8 बजे, तो जो fun होता था अपने दोस्तों के around, I think that also like played a huge part because
सीरियस था ही नहीं हमारे में.
सब टाइम पास थे. हम लोग भी इंजीनियर्स थे, हम लोग के पास जॉब था नहीं. I mean, I had 2 like job letters in my.
थोड़ा शो ऑफ फ्लेक्सिंग करते ना.
नहीं यार, बट
स्टार्ट से ही किया उसने.
एक्टर है.
नहीं, जेन्युइनली बोल रहा था, बट वो वही था कि नहीं करना था. आई मीन वी डिडंट वांट टू डू इट. सो उसके बाद
बट आईटी कंपनी से ऑफर.
हाँ,
थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं तो फिर हम स्नैपचैट्स बनाते थे. फिर उसके बाद हम ऐसे ही कर रहे थे.
हो गया.
1 साल तक हम ऐसे ही कर रहे थे.
अभी तक पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ. अभी तक सिर्फ स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं.
अभी तक स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. जस्ट फन, नथिंग एल्स. फिर थर्ड ईयर में प्लेसमेंट हो जाती है. तो आई वॉज प्लेस्ड इन एक्सेंचर एंड ही डिडंट टेक द प्लेसमेंट.
व्हाट इज एक्सेंचर?
इट्स आईटी कंपनी.
Oh, Accenture.
आईटी
कंपनी का नाम. I thought Accenture is some department.
So इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैकेनिकल सब प्लेस होता है आईटी में ही बेसिकली. तो हम आईटी में ही प्लेस हुए. एंड देन उसके बाद मतलब
जॉब नहीं लिया.
ले लिया मैंने. एक्सेंचर में ले लिया. Yes.
I did not.
But this was
you got and didn't join. You got and you joined.
I joined, but this is third year, right? So fourth year complete कर 1 साल पहले उन लोग फिक्स कर लेते
करते हैं तब तक.
तो अब 1 साल था. एंड देन देयर वाज दिस एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एरा गोइंग ऑन कि भाई सब आजकल स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं. तो फोर्थ ईयर में कॉलेज ही नहीं आए हम लोग. मतलब कि चलो कुछ तो लाइफ में करना है, एक्सेंचर नहीं जाना है, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग. तो आई थिंक यू आर परसुइंग योर एक्टिंग करियर.
मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की वजह से थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया था बीच में, बिकॉज एक्टिंग करियर मैंने थोड़ा अवॉइड कर दिया था, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर, आई वांटेड दैट डिग्री. तो फिर उसके बाद इंजीनियरिंग हो गया एंड देन आई डिडंट नो नाउ व्हाट टू डू, बिकॉज इंजीनियरिंग में तो कुछ सीखा नहीं, कुछ
मजा
हुआ
आया
नहीं.
That's the real boys.
सो मैं ये चीज़ सबको बोलता हूँ कि इंजीनियरिंग कोई अगर बोलेगा कि would you have thought of not doing engineering again, I'm like no, I wanted to do it and I'll again do it because engineering के अलावा मैंने उसमें और बहुत कुछ सीखा. I mean I learned many ways of
Crash
so
course
many
to
things.
comedy.
True. Not only that, you learn everything outside
Yeah,
the outside the
yeah.
class.
Everything.
Once I was an engineer, I didn't know what to do. I mean I had those offers, but I was like, I told my mom,
मम्मी डैडी क्या बोला?
yeah, वो लोग मान गए यार. I mean I would really give it to my parents. They agreed and they saw that कुछ तो करो. So I didn't sit at home. I used to go for auditions and वो struggling phase वापस आराम नगर वर्सोवा ये सब शुरू हो गया था मेरा.
आराम नगर, the place to go to do your audition and die.
And knock at every door like कि please ले लो audition. वो चालू हो गया था and once I like वो दिन में मैं जाता था and शाम को हम लोग वापस 6-7 बजे मिलते थे.
शाम तो ये है.
शाम में हो.
ओ शाम वहाँ पे.
जोक मारना मारा
अरे
वर्ड
मम्मी
थोड़ा.
एज भी उम्र भी इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है भाई. कम ऑन, बी चैरिटेबल विद अंकल. हाँ. सो you went round आराम नगर
Round
वो
and
सब किया.
after coming back home like 6 to 7 p.m. we used to meet and we used to again make small videos on Snapchat and that's how that's what we kept doing for 6 months and I don't know what happened like 7th month हम लोगों ने ऐसे बोला कि जितने भी videos बनाए हैं let's stitch it all together and upload it on Facebook. तो हमने सब वीडियोस को 15 सेकंड्स के वीडियो को एक थोड़ा 1 मिनट का 1.5 मिनट का वीडियो बनाया एंड वी अपलोडेड ऑन फेसबुक एंड इट वेंट वायरल. वो व्यूज़ मतलब वो वीडियो को 3-4 घंटे में 1 मिलियन व्यूज़, फॉलोअर्स बढ़ रहे, सब बढ़ रहे. सो उस दिन हमको लगा कि भाई हमने कुछ नया ले आए मार्केट में, लाइक वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस समथिंग न्यू.
You called your car dealer and said BMW.
मतलब इट वाज राइट देयर कि हम लोगों ने कुछ वी आर द न्यू फेसेस ऑफ फ्यू फेस ऑफ
मोमेंट फेसबुक पे आ गया तो इट जस्ट वेंट थ्रू द रूफ.
या डूड मतलब
people loved it, people started sharing. हमने पहला वीडियो बनाया था if Gujarati is in gym.
Yeah, they told us about
तो
it.
वो पहला वीडियो बनाया तो वो बहुत चला.
वो skit क्या है? Just tell us.
So
go and check it out. Gujarati is in
so
gym.
Gujarati is in gym is like
वैसे
डंबल
normal
भी.
people in gym.
हाँ तो नॉर्मल पीपल ऐसे बाइसेप मारता है. गुजराती जिम वाला डांडिया जैसा मारता है
Oh my
मतलब.
God.
एंड देन अगेन 4-3 डांस स्टेप्स के वे में गरबा करता है.
सेंटर में है यार एक दो. Be careful.
क्या है?
क्या
Gujaratis.
That's he. उनको मजा आएगा.
Yeah, it's a great concept.
So वो बहुत अच्छा चला एंड देन वी.
Sorry to interrupt, but so ये writing जो I mean when two people are writing together, तो ये एक साथ writing हो जाते हैं या you have an idea then you bounce it off him or how does it work?
एक साथ तो आइडिया आएगा नहीं मतलब किसी एक को
कभी
आता है.
कभी how do you claim that it's my idea or your idea?
I mean we do. चलता है तो मेरा है, नहीं चला तो तेरा है.
ऐसा बहुत होता है हमारे बीच में. अगर किसी का जैसे मेरा एक आइडिया है, अगर वो वीडियो अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है तो फिर अगला 1 वीक फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 वीक आई विल बी लाइक मेरा आइडिया था जस्ट चला जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो. सो दैट्स हाउ वी कीप डूइंग इट एंड फन
So Gujarat in gym किसका idea है?
मेरा.
कैसा बात कर रहा है ब्रो? मेरा था
50-50?
फंचो का आइडिया है.
Where did the name come from यार? Is it to do with the bad word also little bit?
Yeah.
अच्छा,
So
so I'm-
all India
मैं
Bakchod
सोचा-
fans. So
हाँ,
we are
हाँ.
all
Okay,
AIB
so
fans.
you wanted that
थे.
double sounding.
So Bakchod, so we went to Fanchod. मतलब why Benchod Mahajod? Let's Fanchod.
क्या बोला?
Benchod में.
मैंने बोला. Actually, if you stick out the last letter, na, it's allowed because then it's French.
That's what happened.
Macho.
So why Benchod? Let's Fanchod.
एक पूरा शो ऐसा ही करते ना. Macho.
वो लोग को नहीं समझेगा, हम लोग को तो बहुत मजा
क्या
आएगा.
प्रॉब्लम है? मैं तो I love this juvenile behavior. So हाँ. So sorry. हाँ.
So it was Fanchod and then we realized that हाँ मतलब brands नहीं आ रहे नाम की वजह से. So then we removed the
So
D.
within like 1.5 years, like 2018 के half में हम लोग ने we decided to drop the D and since then it's Fancho only.
Wow.
But we are
It's a
glad we
derived
did
name.
that.
But now you're very big. You could take the D back. You could tell the brand, ये D होगा. You can say,
reason was
hey
that-
mother chod, fun chodi है नाम. You can tell now you're big enough to tell them.
उखाड़ ले.
हाँ.
So the real reason was कि हमारे कंटेंट में गाली नहीं है, मतलब इट्स फैमिली फ्रेंडली. तो एक बार एक बच्चा है उसकी मम्मी के साथ और वो बोलने लगे, आंटी बोली वो अरे
बच्चा मतलब 8-10 साल.
नहीं 13 साल
साल
आराम से.
तो कि बहुत वीडियोस देखता है, वो आपका चैनल है ना फन हाँ वो फन मस्त है।
Oh, beautiful.
वो आंटी
That's a gag. You did that gag. You should do this gag, यार.
नहीं
Great gag.
बट उस वक्त पे अभी हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि गैग था, बट उस वक्त पे ना वी वर रियली एम्बैरेस्ड कि आंटी हमारा चैनल का नाम नहीं ले पा रही। वी वर लाइक शिट
She also didn't think of it till she started speaking.
Yeah,
And then
no,
she felt,
fun.
yeah.
She was like she got stuck in between.
Yeah,
Fun.
And if we want to keep it clean forever, then why to keep bad cuss
True.
word in the name, na? So then
It's not really a cuss word.
But-
It's an edgy word, यार.
but maybe the audience that sees, maybe जैसे कोई घर पे देख रहा है, they would not want their child to say fanchod. They wouldn't
हमारे
want to
मम्मी
say.
पापा भी मजाक उड़ाते थे। I mean they are very cheerful. They are
इसकी
very
मम्मी भी
amazing.
नहीं बोलती थी पूरा नाम।
Really?
कैसे?
Yeah,
नहीं,
no
कोई-
they were fun छोड़ बोलते थे वो लोग।
फन छोड़। So
Fun
people
छोड़।
started saying फन छोड़।
Oh my
मैं
God.
बोला भाई नहीं
That's
यार,
it. That's another
fun
meaning
छोड़
altogether.
दे।
So it's
then
like
we-
we had multiple reasons to remove the D. So we removed the D and we kept Funcho, and it's Funcho since 2018.
Fancho, it's Japanese. Name is Fancho. And nothing more. Just let's be clear.
Then we actually googled कि भाई ये फंचो कुछ है तो नहीं।
कुछ है?
हाँ, then we realized it's a planned name।
It's a plant.
In what language?
वो पता नहीं।
Latin में होगा.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ तो अलग ही है शायद।
So how beautiful you all are. What a
Stupid.
you're environmentalist.
We are promoting.
Humorist and environmentalist. Unbelievable. Save the world. Funcho के साथ.
हाँ।
So what is the first gag as Funcho? Once you formed the name and all that you released. Do you remember? पहला वाला gag?
But
presume
Funcho
face-
happened a lot later. I mean,
Oh, Funcho, after you went on Facebook and became big,
yeah,
you
Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everything was done, and then we came
starting
back
में
to
तो कुछ
Funcho.
नाम होता नहीं,
नाम
just
नहीं था.
upload yeah.
So how would people on your names? How would people find you?
No, Funcho ही भी लोग सर्च
हाँ,
करते थे.
हाँ.
Then
With the D.
With the D.
With the D.
Beautiful days, यार.
और फिर बाद में भी हमने मतलब हमारे जो कीवर्ड्स होते हैं ना यूट्यूब में, उसमें भी जाके चेंज कर रहे थे। नहीं, इट्स फंचो पे सर्च किया तो नहीं आना चाहिए। ऐसा सब करना पड़ा, बट स्टिल पीपल यूज्ड टू सर्च फंचोद फॉर नेक्स्ट आफ्टर चेंजिंग। उसके भी 1-1.5 साल तक लोग फंचोद ही बोलते थे। देन अभी धीरे धीरे अभी जो लॉयल है बोलते तुम जब फंचोद से हो ना तब से हम जानते हैं।
यार फैंस ऐसे मिलते हैं जो लॉयल फैंस आजकल होते हैं और बोलते हैं कि पता है कितना बड़ा, सब लोग सबसे पहले बोलते हैं कि वी आर बिग फैन। हम कि या मैं पूछता हूँ कभी कि हाउ बिग फैन। जब से आपका डी था ना तब से आपको फॉलो कर रहा हूँ मैं बोला भाई वो
That's a
लॉयल्टी
great
है।
test, boss. That's a
Yeah,
great
bro,
test.
that's
तो एक promo भी कर सकते हैं, montage. People sing the name. That should just be it. Different parts of India and they all sing the name. Different ages, different gender.
कर सकते हैं।
It's a great idea.
Good idea.
That's my idea. I want to just tell the makers of Funcho.
If it goes on air.
Payment pending. Chalo, but then you all grew really fast. Let's get the figures. Let me remember. My 11 million on Insta, something like that.
No.
11 million on YouTube.
Yeah,
And on Insta,
2.8.
2.8 million and growing.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 million. So 3 million on Insta and
Rounding
11
it.
million on
YouTube.
YouTube. Not bad, bro. That's serious figures. So you got to collaborate with some big names.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that. First, cricket lovers.
Yeah, cricket.
Great.
I love cricket.
Great.
How did
cricket
you
lover.
reach Hardik? How did that happen? Or he reached out to you? Or his people?
So we went to we went to West Indies tour. India was touring West Indies with fan code.
Oh, nice.
तो fan code took
they-
us के भाई
हाँ.
पैसे नहीं बार्टर करते।
Really? But you get to see West
But
Indies.
ठीक है, हाँ, मतलब चलो घूम लेते हैं, ऐसे तो घूम नहीं पाएंगे दुनिया के बाहर, तो घूम लेते हैं। So we went to West Indies and so the hotel where cricketers were staying, we were staying in the same hotel. So हमें तो पता नहीं था कुछ, बट बाद में पता चला ब्रेकफास्ट करने गए तो और सब इधर ही है भाई।
हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे बिकॉज ब्रेकफास्ट तो कोई मिस करता नहीं जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ब्रेकफास्ट होता है बिफोर 10.
That's the beauty of being a Hindustani, yaar. You have hit the nail on the head. You can be a multi-millionaire. You'll find them all there. Oh, it's in the package, yaar. अब करना पड़ेगा.
We woke up at 9:40 and we literally
20 minutes to go.
ran
Boss,
in those boxers. I like कि miss नहीं होना चाहिए.
You're spot on, yaar. This is the feeling so many Indians have from across the country. 10 minutes बाकी.
So we went just went into the breakfast room hall. Room भाग क्या है? सामने रोहित सर, श्रेयस अय्यर, यूजी भाई, सब लोग ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं। हम लाइक गलत जगह पे दिया कि मे बी शायद वो लोग का अलग रूम होगा, हम लोग का अलग कोई रूम होगा।
और हम लोग ऐसे बॉक्सर में
तो बोले कि नहीं यही है। सो द आयरनी वाज, सो इसके पहले हम लोग वी यूज्ड टू मेक कंटेंट लाइक क्रिकेट कंटेंट हमने बहुत बनाया, बट वी गॉट एसोसिएटेड विद मुंबई इंडियंस एंड वी मेड अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस विद मुंबई इंडियंस। सो somehow we knew कि क्रिकेटर्स ने हमारे वीडियोस देखे। सो द मोमेंट वी एंटर्ड इनटू द रूम एंड रोहित शर्मा सर वाज लाइक, और यहाँ पे भी आ गए वीडियो बनाने, आ जाओ क्या सोचा है? I'm like, आप हमें जानते हो? And then Shreyas bhai, Yuzi bhai, they all knew us. They greeted us किया और क्या यहाँ पे कैसे वीडियोस बनाने आए हो, कैसे गए हो. So we were very shocked कि मतलब that was our first ever interaction with them, and they knew us. That was a big achievement. And हम लोग जो नाश्ता किया है ना उस दिन, जो ब्रेकफास्ट किया है,
बैठ के
या ब्रेकफास्ट विद अ व्यू,
उनके साथ नहीं अभी नहीं.
उनके मतलब बाजू टेबल पे, बट वी वर देयर ओनली
फोक और चम्मच से खाया इस बार प्रॉपर.
tears in the eyes.
not with hand. So that was an amazing experience.
And then for 3-4 days we were there, so we used to chill with them.
And obviously the relationship got better.
Yeah.
Few
So वहाँ
days के
पर
बाद.
हमारी थोड़ी दोस्ती हुई.
जितना freedom है आपस में, obviously it will be
ये
more-
फ्रीडम ना इंडिया में नहीं मिलता. So we
But
realized
they are more friendly outside apparently,
हाँ.
because they're more comfortable.
because we have met them in India as well. तो इंडिया के होटल्स में भी इंडियंस इतने ज्यादा ना, वो लोग उनको स्पेस ही नहीं देते हैं. मतलब sorry but that's how it is.
True. Indians behave, yaar. West Indians very nice people.
तो but when we head out, when they were out, so एक बार हम लोग एक island पे भी गए, Saint Kitts.
Saint Kitts, yeah.
Saint Kitts, like-
if once your money is a lot now, right now, it's a very good place to park your paisa.
Saint Kitts.
Saint Kitts, वहाँ पे tax structure जो है वो बहुत हल्का सा, you just pay 5% or something.
Wow.
So Saint Kitts, remember, huh? You will take cash from brands?
No.
Huh?
No. It's
You take cash? No cash?
no case, only white.
Only white, यार. हाँ. So Saint Kitts में
तो सेंट किट्स में हम लोग गए तो हमने रियलाइज किया कि क्रिकेटर्स होटल के बाहर वॉक कर रहे हैं. दे लिटरली गोइंग फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक.
fan नहीं है ज़्यादा.
नो भाई, क्योंकि सेंट किट्स इतना छोटा सा आइलैंड है, वहाँ पे उनकी तादाद ही इज लाइक जस्ट 10,000.
हाँ.
पूरा आइलैंड है, सब कोई है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. सो वी लिटरली वेंट वॉकिंग फॉर लंच एंड डिनर.
Saint Kitts is less than car. where the studio is.
Yeah, you can say that.
हाँ.
So it was amazing. मतलब उनके साथ दिन, मतलब रात को भी डिनर के बाद we were just on a
तो-
walk with them and stuff.
Like you walked with the like you're part of the team.
Yeah, I mean,
You held hands. My heart is breaking.
Apart from that.
रोहित शर्मा हाथ पकड़ के काम शाम सवेरे दे रे. Oh my God. So then you bonded obviously.
yeah, it was great.
And the Hardik connection.
सिमिलर. तो वहाँ से हार्दिक वाज हेडिंग टू अ वेकेशन टू सेंटोरिनी. तो वो बोला यार चल लो तुम लोग भी, मेरे को बोर होएगा. और हमारे पास लकीली 3 दिन तक फ्री थे. सो वी वर प्लानिंग टू गो टू यूरोप आफ्टर
Hardik
दैट.
picked you up.
सो ही सेड चल.
Picked us up.
Literally that's
Not
what you're
even
telling me.
from a bar.
You're telling me यार 3 दिन है. Hardik बोला चल. Not even from a bar, from a walk. Cheap guys. यार.
Literally it happened on a, like while we were on a walk.
सो वी वेंट. मतलब वहाँ पे 3 दिन हमने व्हाई टू मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, इट विल बी फन. और हमें जाना ही था वहाँ पर. सो वहाँ पर हम मतलब 3 दिन साथ में थे, तो वहाँ पर दोस्ती थोड़ी और अच्छी
So
हुई.
हार्दिक भाई ने बोला कि ये मैंने यहाँ पे मैं आई एम स्टेइंग, सो जस्ट कम. तो हमने फटाफट, हार्दिक भाई ने खाली एक बार बोला एंड हम लोग का प्लान कहीं और जाने का था. नहीं, सीधा फोन पलटा. मतलब की बच्ची.
So we are like, see, we are not sure. We are planning to go somewhere else. जल्दी बुक कर. नहीं मतलब we'll try. तो जल्दी
तो
हो गया.
फटाफट ग्रीस बुक किया, सेंटोरिनी गए एंड पूछा कि कहाँ पे वेयर आर यू स्टेइंग. सो वी स्टेड इन द सेम रिसॉर्ट एंड देन दोस 3 days वी वर जस्ट विद हार्दिक. वी वर चिलिंग विद हिम एंड हिज फैमिली एंड वी वर लाइक went to see multiple spots. But I guess it was the wonderful 3 days.
हमारे लिए तो ड्रीम.
So you collaborated while you were with him for 3 days, or
No,
you
we didn't
bonded?
collaborate.
We didn't do anything.
just
No
pers-
shooting,
just
no
was a
camera.
relationship. bus.
just proper fun.
And he treats you normal and all.
यार भाई है
like how
वो
we are
हमारा.
talking, you know, कोई
Yeah,
tension
so now he's like a proper brother.
तो
हम लोग-
MCBC बोलते हैं उसके सामने.
नहीं यार.
We are Fanchod. We Benchod. Listen, we are. Come on. I mean, when you're very comfortable with the celebrity, you should be allowed to abuse and everything.
We say it in the French style. You know?
Benchod.
Benchod.
I apologize for the show. Entire show has been really bad. It's terrible, really. Huh. So then you bonded with him,
Yeah.
and फिर India आने के बाद you made the reels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. India आने के
वो
बाद
भी
then
ऐसे
But
मतलब.
now you know them all, यार, in a sense.
we
Then one more.
And they follow you.
Yeah.
yeah they do.
Huh.
मतलब हम ऐसे पर्सनली कभी कंटेंट नहीं बनाते. मतलब आई डोंट क्यों, मतलब एनीवेज मुंबई
इसमें
इंडियंस के
coincidence
साथ.
भी था. Fan code sent you there.
Fan
then you
code,
100%.
They may not have liked you. They may not have said कि beto and all that. It's possible if I went, they would have said yeah. Or waiter, एक और चाय. You know, something like that. So.
Probably yeah.
ये तो कर्मा.
But I guess everything played their
What do
part.
you mean? He's not listening. He's like my wife. Okay, cool.
understand.
अच्छा, we have to take a break, guys. Drink your water. We'll come back. Lots more to talk about. Priyanka Chopra भी है. There are a few other people as well.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back to some of the best gags that they've enjoyed and worst gags. Let's find out. It's Fanchod!
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by Mumbai-based entrepreneur and restaurateur Riaz Amlani. Catch Riaz talking about his love for food and narrate interesting stories of building restaurant chains like Social, Smokehouse Delhi, and managing places like Antisocial and Prithvi Cafe. On A Century of Stories, discover the fascinating origins of the legendary comic book series Amar Chitra Katha. Tune in as Kunal looks back at the vision of the legendary Anant Pai, who sought to make Indian stories accessible for children. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab.
Back here with Funcho, they're just discussing age. And since we discussed it offline, we might as well discuss right now. 30, no?
30, yeah.
Exact.
No, I'm 29.
Thoda kam hai.
What about you?
Suddenly, I want to be alone. 53.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No, no,
So you look
So your
53,
dad and
No,
me,
no, you
your
look
dad's
53.
Yeah.
sweetie. तारीफ बहुत किया अभी we'll start the real हाँ. So Hardik, and you had the reels with him.
Yeah.
And so whose idea? Now you can talk to him and say, Hardik, let's do this. It's your...
But we don't actually do reels with him directly. So anyways, Mumbai Indians के साथ collaborate करते हैं. So we meet him.
हाँ.
तो we ऐसे ही बना लेते हैं. मतलब why to exploit the relation ना मतलब.
True. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
वो भी awkward है ना कि अभी तो friendship बने और for these guys they always worry कि अगर friend है या you're trying to get something out of them. I'm
Because it's not needed ना. Anyways, Mumbai Indians के
Ticket
साथ हम
भी तो
करते
मिलेगा
हैं.
ना?
वो भी Mumbai Indians देता है. Why do you need?
True.
Yeah. So,
Were you there at Anand Ambani's bash?
yeah, we were there.
And did you interact with him?
No, बहुत लाइन था.
हाँ? तो नहीं किया दर्शन?
Darshan नहीं
Darshan
किया
नहीं.
What the hell, boys? What a huge mistake. चलो KKR, I'll put a word in there. Obviously, time to go. हाँ. So let's get back. So then Priyanka Chopra कैसा? वो कहाँ से आया? Because she's not even here, firstly, most of the time.
So she was launching a brand in India.
What
So,
brand?
Anomaly. It's a
Beauty brand.
beauty product, but for hair or face. I guess it's for everything. It's a proper beauty product.
Hair and face.
नहीं मतलब there are
पानी
multiple
का
products. Multiple products है
Product
कुछ
based
hair
है,
के लिए
हाँ,
कुछ
हाँ.
face के लिए. So like proper Anomaly उनका एक product launch था and she was coming to India to launch that. We just got to know that, okay, Priyanka Chopra is coming and she's willing to make a video with you guys. I'm
If you promote ना.
only if you promote the brand. I'm like, yeah, let's
It's a
do it.
proper.
Priyanka is closer to my age than your age. Just for the record. Lovely looking, beautiful woman, well preserved, all that, but for
But
the
she
record.
doesn't look 53, but you do. So that's the difference, I guess, between you and her.
No KKR. Let me talk to Karnataka Premier League and see if I can place you there somewhere. Let me see. You're demoted now. एक joke ठीक है, दो भी ठीक है, but now this is like a non-stop. हाँ.
बस इसके बाद नहीं बोलूँगा
Bus,
बस
please.
last.
अच्छा, at least 5 minutes don't say. 5 minutes.
Done.
So then what was the thing with her? Did you interact with her? How was that?
We couldn't much. I mean, but the only thing we did is we like explained her the concept, and she was really interested into the concept, and she gave us the feedback कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करते हैं. So that thing.
But she was
really-
not just के भाई कर करके
But
खत्म
can you
करो.
say I don't like your idea? Can you say that? I mean,
But it was our idea, no?
नहीं उसका जो feedback है. Can you say boss? That's not
हाँ
good.
क्योंकि पहले उनकी टीम अप्रूव करती है ना वो.
वो तो हाँ.
नहीं बाद में उन्होंने जो फीडबैक है, so we don't do it on the face obviously.
Oh, it's going through people.
Yeah, it goes through
नहीं, but
multiple.
on this, so script दिया है, approve हो गया ना, on the set when we are explaining her the idea,
But
उसने
script
थोड़े
दिया होगा,
changes दिए.
team ने उनके through run
नहीं,
through
वो
भी किया
कुछ
होगा
अलग
ना.
बोल रहे हैं. जो प्रियंका ने changes दिए,
हाँ, वही.
so we didn't say directly no, but हाँ कर सकते हैं बाद में टेक अंदर क्या कर रहे हैं मतलब इतना कोई ध्यान
अच्छा,
नहीं
so
देता है.
basically this is a PR job. You said okay ठीक है, and then actually when you shot you did your own
We
thing.
just did what PR and agencies do.
हाँ. Bakwas. Exposing the industry. Funcho is actually they're jasus. Two detectives here who are trying to bring down the industry slowly. Okay, so that's
Then that's it मतलब इतना कुछ there's nothing to, I mean,
so no story with Priyanka.
no story. I mean, we
Honestly,
just shot a good
no.
video. We had fun.
Yeah, cute little fun, and then we left.
Hey, speaking of which, do you get a lot of girl attention? Girls का attention? It's very popular, obviously. So I know boys are
So-
definitely watching, but
He's married.
मैं तो शादीशुदा हूँ तो
से मासूम लड़का
तो
है.
मेरे
Doesn't
सारे
look it.
मेरे सब इसको जा रहा है अभी.
ये pass on.
Your market is going that
Going to
side.
him, yeah.
You're saying not available.
You anyways don't have a
out
market.
of you have an out of stock thing on your अच्छा ठीक है. and then so it goes that way.
Yeah, I
But
do.
have you seen your life has changed now after that little bit?
Like what?
मतलब like Thakur College के early days में जैसे attention जो I'm presuming was not that much, it has become much more now. Because they recognize you, they want to talk to you. Say
They
hello.
recognize me for sure. I mean, जब भी मैं actor था, उससे ज़्यादा अभी recognize करते because Fancho is much more like what I was.
Crime Petrol was very big, beta. It's just what role you played.
अभी भी लोग आते हैं पता है अभी भी like
then.
the दो fans आते हैं like कि we watch a video and then one of the fans appears and like कि कल ही आपका episode देखा यार ये Crime Petrol वाले ना repeat telecast बंद ही नहीं कर रहे वो लोग अभी तक चला रहे जो मैंने 5 साल पहले किया
और वो molester वाला episode ही आएगा हर बार.
बोलते
हम
कल ही
लोग
आपको
कहीं
देखा
तो कहीं कहाँ गए थे अपन चेन्नई समवेयर there's a cab driver who recognized him एकदम ऐसा ओल्ड क्राइम पेट्रोल गुड
Wow, that's not bad, yaar. The power of television also still there.
100%.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो
coming back to attention is now I get more of it but it's pretty much this मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मतलब ठीक है अच्छा है
इन लड़कियों की बात कर स्पेसिफिकली
अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है
ठीक है अगर लड़कियों के अलावा और कुछ है आई मीन यू आर फ्री टू ओपनली टेल अस.
नहीं लड़कियों का अटेंशन बहुत अच्छा है इट्स वेरी गुड DMs आते हैं आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इट्स मोर ऑन
What do they
DM
say in the DM? Tell us. Come on.
बिग फैन
वो तो कोई
वहाँ से शुरू
मैं
होता
भी
है
बोल
ना
सकता
वहाँ
हूँ.
से कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू
और
होता
second,
है
तो आगे जा
आगे क्या बता भाई एक
We're paying good money for this. He's telling me but big fan तो कोई भी बोल
मेरे को
सकता
ऐसा लगता है एक
टैक्सी
chat
में भी बोलो
podcast
चेन्नई
पे
में
होना
टैक्सी में भी बोलो big fan. I want more than big fan बेटा. What is the what?
आफ्टर द पॉडकास्ट
Please यार.
नहीं
Please ये podcast में बताना पड़ेगा यार. That's what they like to hear. What is the worst, not worst, what is the dirtiest, naughtiest thing they say?
कोई एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं बट एक दो लड़कियों ने मस्त एक
एक या दो?
फ्लर्टिशियस दो
तीन.
दो लड़कियों ने
पाँच.
मस्त एक पिकअप लाइन लिखा था DM में which I never replied till
Lovely.
today
बोलो,
but
बोलो, बोलो.
वो याद नहीं आया just
नहीं come on यार.
नहीं
तू ऐसा
याद
करता
है
है. You set it up.
मेरे को लाइन लाइक छू के करके निकल गया बट I mean yes and DMs
Oh, I thought that's the line.
Going back now, so obviously collabs, all that is happening, but now pressure भी है थोड़ा बहुत because you've reached a standard, people know you, they expect great stuff. Do you ever get like, oh God, अभी क्या करेगा?
हाँ मतलब पहले ना हम सोचते नहीं थे जो अच्छा लगा बना दिया
हाँ.
नाउ देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर वी थिंक मतलब बहुत बार सोचते कि चलेगा नहीं चलेगा लोगों को अच्छा लगे पहले तो
आपस में डिसाइड करता है कि ये नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
Is there only two members?
no we have a team as well we have a cinematographer we have an editor
हाँ, but do they interview with the creative?
yeah मतलब we
not the
include
creative
them
but we take perspectives ना जैसे रिलेटेबल चीज सोचते हैं तो we ask people कि तेरे लिए रिलेटेबल है do you relate to this so that is how we take feedback
but mostly whenever we are brainstorming we are doing it with them only like
Okay.
साथ में ही करते कि वो
because
लोग
वो भी
क्या
3-4 साल से ना so they know now मतलब how to write comedy they understand at least they can't write but they understand कि
Thank
क्या
God.
funny है क्या
So
नहीं.
they start their own fun show. DOP, you learn your place here. Just stay there. Don't come and take our place. Huh. But so let's talk now about the gags. The ones that any gag that you didn't like and it went very well. Like सोचा कि ये बकवास है. I mean, no way this will run, and it did really well.
You didn't like na if actors played cricket.
I didn't like it yeah so
So-
there's this video that we made if actors played cricket like Tiger Shroffs Salman भाई शाहरुख भाई सब लोग आके क्रिकेट कैसे क्रिकेट
Nice.
खेल रहे हैं so वो वीडियो मैंने जब भी when he just run
My
that
idea again.
his idea
Sir,
I'll give it to him
close up, sir. Close up.
तो इसका आइडिया तो मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था but then we sat together and
ठीक है.
वही टीम के साथ बैठे टीम ने अप्रूव किया आई एम लाइक शिट लेट्स मेक इट
Democracy, हाँ.
तो हमने बनाया तो वो बहुत अच्छा चला आई मीन इफ आई एम नॉट इवन रॉन्ग हमने उसके 3 पार्ट्स बनाए 4 पार्ट्स बनाए
He said not even
एक
wrong.
काम करना तू बोल
हाँ.
तू ही बोले यू माइट
तू सिर्फ
नहीं,
करेक्ट
तू बोल,
करता
मजा आ
है.
रहा
ये
है.
पेटी बिहेवियर है भाई.
तू बोल.
हर बार करेक्ट करते 19-20.
उसके टोटल व्यूज कितने होंगे
उसके एक पार्ट पे 40 मिलियन है मतलब चारों मिला के 150 मिलियन
40 मिलियन. ये लफंगे लोग हैं इंडिया में. What the hell's going on? हाँ.
फंके बोलते हैं
हाँ. तो बोल ना.
so we were at 700k on Instagram and after this we just made
The one
3
he
parts.
hates. He hated the concept.
hated the
Yeah.
And after this it went to?
First part it went 20-25 million. We gained 200k followers. Then we thought part 2 बनाते ना यार. बोले, 1 चला तो क्या 2 भी चलेगा क्या part 2 नहीं बनाते मेरा बनाते अच्छा चलेगा मजा आ रहा है. वो भी बनाया 3 कंटिन्यूस हमने बनाया and we reached 1.4 million. सीधा डबल मतलब
या
और लेजिट 21 दिन में
अच्छा
डबल.
कॉन्सेप्ट था
अभी आपका सोच
बहुत
बदल
अच्छा
गया या नहीं?
concept था, very
अच्छा,
good.
very good. ध्रुव क्या बात है यार.
अभी मैं इसको क्वेश्चन नहीं करता इसको कुछ अच्छा लगता है ना तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि तेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है ना बना देते हैं So,
आज मैं भी ऐसा बोल पाता.
But why did you like the concept? I like, when he said it, I like the concept. I thought it's funny. Tiger Shroff playing cricket and doing their mannerisms. वो सब है ना, obviously.
मतलब it sounded funny, but when I was
Cliche.
thinking, नहीं, when I was thinking it in a video perspective कि वो कैसा बनेगा, कैसा दिखेगा after editing and after using the music and all, मुझे लगा शायद इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
So
I
he
mean,
doesn't like a lot of slapstick because इसमें तो पूरा slapstick है ना, तो इसको लगा slapstick बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
वेज वीडियो में देखा था, was damn funny. वो उसमें थोड़ा हल्का सा slapstick भी है.
Which veg
That
video?
veg, non-veg, the veg guy going crazy.
हाँ.
He's playing it.
हाँ.
Yeah.
No, वो kitchen के अंदर भी घुस जाता है and all that. And
Yes,
वो
yes,
अंडा
yes.
के हाथ
Yes,
लगाया
yes,
अंडा
yes,
पे and all
yes,
that. That was very funny. Whose concept is that? ये भी आपका?
I mean, I don't remember, but होगा.
I remember it was his.
Well, that's fantastic. Great idea. Great this thing and very real. We all
very
grown up with
relatable
people
and-
where the guys anal about the veg everything.
There मतलब he is very similar.
Yeah. Oh, he is actually.
He is
Yeah.
actually.
So it's based on him.
हाँ, based on him.
तो हमारे बहुत सारे concepts
तो बोल को चेक करेगा वो सब, you know.
हाँ भाई.
हाथ कहाँ पे डाल दिया उसमें. हाँ.
मतलब मेरे साथ कोई नॉनवेज खा रहा है तो आई विल मेक श्योर दैट वो स्पून मेरे में इसमें गलती से भी नहीं जाना चाहिए.
Life में. Because this is also in the gag by the way.
या
guys.
लाइफ में
हाँ.
मतलब अगर तुमको खाना है तो आई
तो इसमें एक्टिंग नहीं था. He
Real
just
था.
basically said we are going for
Behaved,
lunch.
he
and
was
we-
just behaving.
Yeah. It's very funny, very nice. There's an extension with the girl also after that. She asked for chicken. वो भी है.
चिकन नहीं और एक था कि शायद आपने वो नहीं देखा.
ये भी relatable है इसके साथ, बताएगा भी.
ये भी रिलेटेबल है, ये भी
So
रिलेटेबल
that's from the real life.
ये
वो
भी
भी
रिलेटेबल है.
Slice of real life है.
So
dates पे यही होता है.
we have had dinner and now she has come over to my place and
Oh.
she's like there's no one. So ये हमने दिखाया बहुत अच्छे क्लीन कॉमेडी में दिखाया.
ये
There's
clean
no
तो
one
नहीं है.
Clean है मतलब.
Because since there was
अभी
no
तक
dinner,
clean
now
है.
we can't show that.
Oh, dessert you mean? Sweet dish.
So she was like sitting and she comes close because to obviously kiss me and I'm like just like if I'm not wrong you had non-veg. Like yeah, can you just go and brush your teeth before we do that? And that was the whole concept. I mean उसके around फिर बाद में she
तो मैं
just
confused हो गया. ये सच में हुआ?
सच में भी हुआ है और concept
And then
भी
you put
हुआ
it
है.
on the
Yeah.
thing. I want to ask you one thing. तो सच बताओ. तो लड़की के सामने okay, she's about to kiss you. Puppy के time. At this exact point, you're asking her to go and brush her teeth. उसका reaction क्या था? Actually क्या था?
So we didn't kiss the entire night.
Kiss? चप्पल
Nothing.
नहीं निकाला उसने?
नहीं हम लोग कुछ मतलब टच भी नहीं हुआ मतलब she didn't even she was like just stay away from me and she got really mad at me and trust me it was
No
a
wonder you're
bad
married, he's
experience.
not यार.
It was bad experience.
How can you tell her that?
It was right this way मेरी
दिख
नजर
रहा है
सिर्फ
इसको,
उसके मुंह पे मेरे को चिकन दिखाई दिया मैं बोला नहीं कर सकता मैं.
Oh यार, what a story. Oh God. Imagine the girl, yeah. I mean,
I know I'm sorry.
this is before you were famous?
This is apologizing.
On the verge of getting famous.
Okay, favorite gags. Favorite gags. That
So this was the one. we made one more video which is our favorite till date. If petrol was a person. So we made that in a very cinematic way. हमने ना वो Once Upon a Time in Mumbai का parody बनाया.
हम लोग नॉर्मल गैग्स ही बना रहे थे रैंडम वीडियो बना रहे थे कि पेट्रोल वैसे तभी पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस बहुत बढ़ गए थे सो वी आर लाइक नॉर्मल एक
100 रुपए पे पहुंच गया उस
हाँ
point पे.
हाँ सो हमने नॉर्मल यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाया कि पेट्रोल वाज अ ह्यूमन एक नॉर्मल लिस्टिकल एक सीक्वेंस बट वी आर लाइक कि लेट्स डू समथिंग डिफरेंट सो वी सैट डाउन विद द टीम एंड लाइक कुछ अलग कर सकते हैं सो वी मेड अ वीडियो वेयर ऑफ पेट्रोल वाज अ ह्यूमन पर्सन लिटरली ही वाज अ पर्सन एंड हमने दिखाया कि वो वीडियो में वो एक कुएं से पैदा हुआ है सो वी लिटरली मेड अ जर्नी ऑफ अ पेट्रोल
सुल्तान ऑफ Once Upon a Time in Mumbai is petrol.
हाँ.
So basically उसका पूरा कपड़े भी वैसे है पूरा वाइट पहना है वो राज कर रहा है फिर कैसे CNG आता है एज अ विलन उसका मार्केट गिराने बट देन ही प्लेस पॉलिटिक्स एंड रिमूव्स हिम फिर लास्ट में EV आता है तो तब EV भी बहुत चल रहा था सो लास्ट में EV आके उसको भगाता है और फिर उसका पार्ट 2 था कि पेट्रोल विल कम बैक तो अभी वापस EV का थोड़ा ऐसा चल रहा है तो हम सोच रहे पार्ट 2 बनाए मे बी हाइड्रोजन भी चल रहा है तो
फिर इलेक्शन के समय पे नीचे भी आ गया.
हाँ
So then you have to change the narrative.
वी शोड के भाई वो मिनिस्टर्स के साथ मिला हुआ है प्राइस बढ़ रहे गिर रहे सब इनका मिली भगत है इट्स गुड फन वीडियो
And everything, you all only do the acting, yeah, basically. Sometimes there are other people in the cast here and there.
इट्स आवर टीम ओनली मतलब जब भी हम लोग टीम को फॉर एग्जांपल वी नीड एन एडिटर तो वी इंटरव्यू हिम की एडिटिंग कर मतलब ऑब्वियसली आता है तो वी
Acting आना
आल्सो आस्क
जरूरी
हिम कि एक्टिंग कर लोगे ना
थोड़ा बहुत
कभी
और
कभी,
स्क्रिप्टिंग
हाँ.
थोड़ा बहुत इफ ही सेज यस इन मतलब एडिटिंग नहीं आता तो भी चलेगा और हमें एक्टर चाहिए हमें स्क्रिप्ट राइटर भी चाहिए हमें एक बंदा चाहिए जो हमारे साथ बैठे सो हमारे जैसे जेनिथ है प्रथमेश है हमारे टीम मेंबर्स दे डू एवरीथिंग
टीम में कितने?
राइट नाउ वी आर 5 of us
5.
Yeah.
5 in the core team.
in the core team yeah
And then कभी
and बाकी
obviously
freelance I mean we keep asking people for help and
You
stuff.
want older actors for any role? Let me see. I can recommend couple of guys here.
खुद को ही ओल्ड हुआ है
53
ताकि मैं ना करूँ था he's
He's taking a joke on himself.
yeah
53 यार, रिटायरमेंट इज 60. बहुत साल बाकी है यार. डोंट डू दिस यार. गिव अस अ चांस.
Don't do ageism.
हाँ,
Ageism.
एजिज्म भी एक चीज है. we must have some ism.
हाँ,
We can't do racism, we can't do sexism, we can't do fat
Ageism.
shaming. तो यही है ना एजिज्म. और क्या है? तो शादी कैसा हुआ बीच में?
बीच में नहीं मैं. So
Bit young you got married?
yeah, I was 27.
Oh, that's not young. That's okay. For first marriage, 27 is good. But you're already famous by now.
A little, not that much.
on the verge of
So she is my Mansi, who's my wife. She is my school friend. तो हम
You're
तो
dating a girl from
no, not dating. She's a school friend.
अच्छा
Then-
पहचान.
हाँ,
And
so we started dating in 2015 when I was not famous, when Fancho was not there.
yeah.
So then yeah,
That's a very good point. I'm not trying to break relationships, but it's good to know that you're married before you're like a big somebody. So sometimes that, changes everything. Now he'll never know. Now he's famous. जो भी है, chicken खा के आए
so
कि
he's not famous, so he'll never marry.
yeah, that's what he shouldn't marry now. Plus already if they eat chicken or he's got so many issues
अरे
यार.
यार अभी
तो कैसा करेगा शादी? You have no idea how demanding women are. If you think you're demanding, this is explain to him, no?
पता
But if
चला
she
थोड़ा
loves
टाइम
me,
बाद
she'll understand,
अगर तू
right?
vegan बन गया
वो loves me mean सुहागरात पे she has to come with a bloody toothbrush, toothpaste, वो gargling क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Gargle water whatever.
Listerine.
Mouth freshener, हाँ, Listerine, वो सब.
एक बार करके आ जाओ बाकी तो it's we'll have fun.
What fun? In the middle you'll say वो बाल चैन नहीं दिखता है. Go do your hair. Huh? In between चाय बनाओ. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't know. I'm not just saying he's a dangerous guy.
अगर तू vegan बन गया by chance
वो by chance,
फिर क्या
by
करेगा?
chance, yeah. Vegan का rules
I
बहुत
should find a
complicated
girl
है.
who's into vegan and all.
हाँ.
I think so. अभी vegan cafes के बाहर जाके बैठता हूँ
I
मैं.
got your next kid, yaar. It's just he's searching for girls with all his requirements and problems. Yeah. Tougher marriage later is very tough. I have lots of friends in the 40s and 50s who have there's no way they can get married because man can't adjust. You have to adjust by 27. उसके बाद नहीं हो पाएगा.
Why? Why so?
You can't adjust because you're used to being alone, na? Your rules become more strong. What demands you have कि ये toothbrush करके आना and all that, they become much more.
वो चला गया अभी वो it was back like 4
नहीं,
years
that's
back.
an example.
नहीं नहीं होगा मतलब for I feel so I've been single like since 3 to 4 years now. वो शायद जब भी अभी मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं है कि I want to get married but when I feel like I want to get married तो तभी शायद I'll be lonely enough कि मुझे भी अकेले नहीं रहना है. I'll do
तू compromise करेगा.
हाँ obviously.
हाँ.
I
What do you
think so
feel?
मतलब ये मेरा मानना है.
नहीं.
आदतें बिगड़ गई है अभी अभी कहाँ कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर
Wait, ठीक है, we'll find out. You're still young. He's got a couple of more years. I think 35 cross करने के बाद there's no hope. Then Indian male is gone, yeah. Indian male is then so dominating in his mind. Indian male is a different animal, yaar. I'm telling you, after 35 you cannot compromise. You won't. Then only your mother will do. Because that's the only person who will do everything for you without asking questions.
Right.
Jai Ma! All right, we have to do AMAs. The director, who's also the engineer, because many of our employees have left. Yeah, team of only 5 people and they're so successful. We have some 30 people and we're unsuccessful. Something is going wrong. We have to think about this, yaar. 5. That's amazing, yeah, for such a big product. Acha, Ronnie ka question. What's your secret for both of you? What's your secret weapon when a joke falls flat and you need to recover? Do you do live shows?
We've done couple of times but not much.
So ये more live show question
हाँ,
है because
live
joke
show.
falls flat, you're shooting, you can
So
rejig
he had a
everything.
good answer when
हाँ.
so, जब हमारा skit में when we are editing
After editing the video.
after editing जो punch नहीं आ रहा है so I have an answer for that. We put a sound effect.
और कैसा?
कौन सा sound effect चल रहा
Pau.
Yeah.
So we
That
had
is a
sound
good
effects and
strategy
I
when
mean
the
उससे तो
joke is
लोग
in.
हंसी देते हैं. Joke पे नहीं sound effect पे.
वो laugh track भी वैसे ही था ना. The idea was that people just will laugh along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sort of just
वही.
encourage.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Still the shows are going on with that only.
Yeah. Our whole show is laugh track only. We hardly play conversation because we're so insecure now about it. It's just, Daldo, don't forget, beta. Last time, yeah. Shweta, she's a girl.
पहले
Vegan.
पूछो उसमें veg
Vegan,
non-veg.
vegan, हाँ, vegan. बाल बच्चे कैसे हैं? What's the strangest place you ever performed comedy and how did it go?
Again, it's a live.
That's a
show
more live
kind of
question.
thing.
But people have ever called you to do those kind of things because you're famous as a duo. They'll say come private party पे.
Not that, but hosting या ये सब के लिए बुलाते हैं. So the strangest place to do comedy.
Strangers नहीं है but we can share our experience.
संगीत, हाँ.
नहीं यार strangers तो फिर वही है कि मतलब अगर
नहीं,
मम्मी
ऐसा
कहीं पे
बुलाया
आपको
है,
लेके
पर
जाएगी
नहीं।
कहीं पे
हाँ।
फैमिली फंक्शन में
हाँ।
तो मम्मी अगर इंट्रोड्यूस कराती है मेरा बेटा कॉमेडी वीडियोस बनाता है तो लोग यही बोलते हैं कि कॉमेडी करके दिखा.
हाँ.
तो वो अंकल आंटी को मैं कैसे बताऊँ कि कॉमेडी
Videos.
हाँ मतलब कॉमेडी करके दिखा, मतलब जबरदस्ती एक दो जोक मारना पड़ता है, हाथी चीटी चीटी वाले हंस देते, बोलते हैं हाँ गुड कॉमेडियन.
You have three written jokes for safety at every function.
हाँ, we should have
You were saying something, sorry?
हाँ, ऐसे एक आया था, किसके लिए बुलाया था, कोई तो इवेंट के लिए, ऐसे संगीत या कुछ तो के लिए ही बुलाया था कि वुड यू कम एंड परफॉर्म, तो वी सेड नो, बट ऐसा ही कुछ.
Paisa?
No, but because we don't do live shows much, na, so.
But you can recreate the same skit, yeah. It'll be a big hit. Famous ones, whatever you've
It's
done.
more of a.
But you
of
need
an
all the
act.
production value.
Yeah, I mean.
So we are planning that. We're planning to do a drama tour. तो ऐसे
पैसा
ही-
तो था लेकिन पैसे को जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाया, इसीलिए पैसा लिया नहीं.
What kind of engineers ask this question, yaar? Justify कौन करेगा? Have you seen the bridges of Bombay? कौन justify करता है? You come out of engineering, you just do whatever the work you get and take the money.
Take the money. That's.
You're a Marwari, you understand. Sharma ji, you're from UP.
I'm also Marwadi.
You're Marwari only.
Yeah.
Then why don't you understand?
I'm good Marwadi.
Oh, he's not. He's
No,
not.
that's a bad Marwadi actually.
That's a bad Marwari. At least from my Walkeshwar area. And those are all successful ones. Boss, show respect. Arav says, what's the unique jugaad you've done for a comedy thing that you're still wondering how you pulled it off? Something that you've written or which may have been bad and then you did some jugaad and made it great.
जुगाड़ हमारा आज तक का सबसे बड़ा जुगाड़ यही है
I think
कि- नहीं, आई स्टिल हैव अ गुड आंसर टू दिस.
हाँ.
हमारा आज तक का सबसे मेन जुगाड़ है लोकल ट्रेन. सो लोकल ट्रेन में शिट यू कांट शूट आइडियली, बट हमारे बहुत सारे वीडियोस लोकल ट्रेन में ही वायरल हुए एंड लोकल ट्रेन की वजह से ही
without permission.
सो लोकल
But
ट्रेन
it's
में
not,
हमने
There's no permission.
But permission तो तब चाहिए ना, when you have a good production, you have a camera, you have a setup.
A grey area होगा because people are
Phone
anyway
से
shooting
video ले रहा है.
themselves. Yeah.
So we don't, मतलब फोन से मैं बैठा हूँ सीट पे, फोन से मेरा वीडियो ले रहा है. So why do you need a permission for that? मतलब हाँ कैमरा वैमरा लेके जा, वो तो हम कभी गए नहीं because obviously you need permission for that. So ऐसा बेसिक वीडियोस हमने लोकल ट्रेन में बनाया, which is very difficult because सब देख रहे हैं. So it's again a skit, live skit where you are performing,
But
everybody is
how
looking
will
at
you
you.
go? You'll get recognized by a lot of people. How will you do it? Oh,
I mean,
candid
we-
camera के style में कर सकते हैं, but once people recognize you, will be tough.
या
But
सो
फिर
नाउ
हम लोग
वी
पी कार नहीं होता है ना,
Buy
तब
your own
जाते
train.
हैं. That's a good idea actually.
शायद अगर वो संगीत का ले लेते ना
हाँ.
वो
Damn it, यार!
हाँ, shit.
You don't know. I cancel. You're not Marwaris from now on. You're cancelled. Cancel culture. Last question. If you could swap lives with each other. Nice question. Nirav, if you could swap lives with each other, what would you do first? Chalo, good question.
You should ask him because he's married.
No, I would. One thing I would swap with him is I would also want a Dhruv in my team, you know.
कुछ भी बोले, doesn't make sense.
अच्छे आइडियाज आते हैं ना भाई.
He's trying to tell you something कि उसको दो ध्रुव चाहिए. मतलब he wants a second Dhruv only. That's what he's trying to say. It's the most insulting thing. I think we take him on the train and push him off.
I think I'll do that the next time. For me, I think he's much more money-minded. This guy.
You say it like it's a bad thing.
No,
No, it's a good thing. I am not. So if at all I swap my life with him, I
want that quality.
Yeah, that quality. with
He's not money minded.
No.
बजे के बारे में नहीं सोचता.
नहीं यार, मैं नहीं सोचता. हमारा जो भी फाइनेंस है वो यही ध्यान रखता है, मतलब यही बोलते हैं कि इतना इतना है.
Do you trust him? He wants a second Dhruv.
अभी ऐसा मत बोलो, अभी 6 साल हो गए, I'm trusting him. अभी डाउट आ गया ना तो लग जाएंगे हमारे पंचों
Boys,
के.
don't break the bond. It's successful because of two of you. Doesn't matter 80 or 20. वो अलग बात है. Remember Salim Javed.
मैंने शायद साइन तो 50-50 पे किया था, but I don't have the
You never know, brother.
And you handle the money anyway. 50? 50.
और बाय द वे हमारे फंचो की सीए भी इसकी बहन ही है. सो
Bro. Well played. Well played, bro. Okay, guys, you have to end the show here. Fun shows the name. They're huge. They're getting bigger every day. Great fun. And anything we can look forward to that's coming out?
So we are really glad. I mean, you could. I mean, हमें बहुत लोगों ने podcast के लिए. I mean, we got a lot of queries. But when we got to know that you are calling us, so we had to say yes because we are a huge fan of you. Whatever you have been doing.
बकरा वगैरह देखा है हमने.
बकरा मतलब आपके जैसे बहुत बकरा हमने भी बनाया लोगों को. So but honestly, big fan of you and your comedy. And today, I mean, we could just hear it live. What fun हो यार आप. I mean,
$500 कम से कम.
मुझे लगा ही था ये जो
तारीफ सब ठीक है, but I want money यार at this age.
So थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं है, थोड़ा कम करो.
कम. 500. वही problem है ना. We have to get the market right यार. 400. You give
By
me.
the way, what was the question? Sorry, I forgot the question.
What was the question? No, about your what's coming up next.
coming
Yeah,
up.
Anything you want to share?
so we always wanted to write. I mean, हमें ना लिखना बहुत पसंद है.
Long form?
Yeah, long form.
I knew it. I knew it.
It's long form. So we are finally coming up with our own web series, and
Okay,
we have
wow.
almost done writing it. So
Oh,
we
nice.
might so we'll start pitching it to OTTs, and if that doesn't happen, then we'll 110% will produce it on our YouTube channel at least. But the long format, the web series is gonna come out this
Wow.
year.
That's fantastic, yaar.
Father's role, yeah.
We need a father.
Father, mother, I don't care, yaar. Any role, justify it. Okay, guys, it's been great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Big fans.
Thank you.
I just
Same
started
here.
watching you just last 24 hours, thanks to them.
Because of the show?
Younger audience. No, but it's very funny. Yeah, I enjoy the gags. I think you're
Still haven't followed us on Instagram, by the way.
just how do we that cost of handles, boss? Man,
53, bro.
they give the phone. They say, Uncle, look, you like? Acha, wo heart dabao. It's like that. I promise, I'll be done. We'll be following you before the day is done.
Guys, check it out. अगर नहीं किया तो comments में बता देना.
देखो मैं तेरी शादी के लिए आएगा मैं. And I'll tell her the same story.
tell her.
मैं ही पहले बता दूंगा. Don't worry. I am very.
She'll not.
But take it from me, don't be so fussy, yaar. It's very tough otherwise. You have to compromise.
I've learned it the hard way, by the way. So I am not fussy anymore. Now I keep.
गर्लफ्रेंड भी नहीं है अभी.
ना अभी चिकन खा के आए तो चलता है ऐसा.
अरे
अभी मैं जेब में क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार, माउथ फ्रेशनर लेके घूमता हूँ.
मतलब तू खुद ही
खुद नहीं मारता हूँ.
एक मिनट,
So it's
एक मिनट.
logical.
तू brush
It's
करना मत
logical.
जा.
रुक जा. It's logical. When I use it, I'm like, we also want to use it. So
That's
she
good.
won't say no.
Good technique. Good technique.
Actually, yeah.
Good technique. And she'll feel कि he's making her feel comfortable by making sure he's clean.
Yeah.
But
But she doesn't know.
I don't think शादी मटेरियल तो है यार. To be honest with you यार, 2 दिन में पक जाएगा. It's not
जिससे
good.
शादी करूंगा मैं, I swear I'll leave all these habits. I'll be very. So yeah,
You're looking for anything in particular?
not
in
yet.
the girl?
Not yet. Nothing.
Who's your favorite girl celebrity? I know we're running out of time, but female celebrity कौन?
यार आप मुझे ना ओल्ड स्कूल बोलोगे, but
हाँ.
I've just had one
Crush.
female crush, and that was Mahima Chaudhary because of her Pardes movie.
Ritu Chaudhary first, who became Mahima. हाँ.
Sorry, I don't know that, but
हाँ.
Pardes movie के बाद I was a big fan of her, and I'm like, I adored her a lot. अभी नहीं.
Is Mahima married? She's a little older. Non-veg है.
प्रॉब्लम है.
Shit.
We can work on this, yaar. Don't worry about it. You do the long format. You cast her. Take it from there. ठीक है?
Done.
Done. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
you so
Thank you so much.
Real pleasure, but I have to go now if you don't mind. Yeah. We are looking at living DNA, direct descendant of the great Rana Sanga and Maharana Pratap. Have you ever used a sword? Have you ever fought?
No, not.
क्या बात है यार?
Swords, yes, we've never used it for fighting.
Just
We've not-
training.
No, traditionally and more for functional, for functions and occasions, for traditional functions, but never in terms of fighting or sword fighting or anything of that nature.
Like अगर birthday party पे if there are presents to be cut and all, you don't say scissors नहीं चाहिए मुझे तलवार चाहिए.
No, we would show the sword a little bit more respect than that.
Sorry. Ishan says you have a great classic car collection from. He's done his research. Iconic. I hope it's right. Iconic Mercedes-Benz 190 DB.
Ji,
So yeah,
that's right.
100-year-old Rolls-Royce.
Yes.
100 years.
Yes.
But it's supposed to work forever.
So it's a 1924. He's got his
How does he
homework
he's done
bang
his
on.
homework,
So it's doing 100 years this year.
Excellent. Which one is your favorite? And do you have an inkling of just starting one up and going for a ride?
Absolutely, I do. A lot of the time, so this 20 HP 1924 Rolls Royce that is there.
It's a vintage, right?
It's a vintage, yes. And it's completing 100 years, or rather has completed 100 years this year. And it's won the best of show in the United States in Pebble Beach in California.